Did a software update break the libdav1d Video Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get AV1 Video Decoder, DAV1D engine running again. While preparing the manual steps for libdav1d Video Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the libdav1d Video Library, the reference implementation of the AV1 Video Decoder. It provides high-efficiency, multi-threaded decoding logic for modern web video streams, essential for YouTube 4K and 8K playback in non-native browsers. Missing versions result in unsupported video codec errors or extreme CPU spikes when the browser falls back to a software interpreter. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Since libdav1d Video Library DLL is an embedded part of the AV1 Video Decoder, AV1D engine architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with libdav1d Video Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing libdav1d Video Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. A recommended diagnostic path for libdav1d Video Library management is outlined in the software resource linked below. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure libdav1d Video Library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.